Now let's find the distance between the given parallel lines. Now given lines are 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. Now the distance between two parallel lines and let the lines be ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is d is equal to c1 minus c2 upon square root for a square plus b square. Now this we have already done it. Okay, this we have already done it. Therefore a is 15, b is 8, c1 is negative of 34 and c2 is equal to 31. Okay, now d, that is the distance between the two parallel lines, is now c1 minus c2, negative of 34 negative of 31 upon square of 15 plus square of 8, negative of 65 upon 2 to 5 plus 64, 289, 70. Okay, therefore hence distance d is equal to 65 upon 17 units. Answer.